it. Staring at the ceiling, think I'm losing my mind. Cause I'm out of it. Ooh, ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My sisters, they're just going hi to me, stop it. So today I'm going to a bridal shower and I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys this makeup look and this hairstyle that my sister did. And I'm also going to try to vlog some of the bridal shower events. I'm only going to be there for an hour, which sucks, but try to film as much as I can. So I'm going to try to do a pink eyeshadow look. So it's going to be my first time trying out like a proper smoky eye. So hopefully this goes well. I'm going to start off by priming, but I'm going to use concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the transition color. I'm going to be using Buck. I'm going to go in with this middle color. Like darker purple and just like going in the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest of my face, just foundation, contour like I usually do, then I'm going to go back in and do some eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation because it's a celebration today, so break out the bad boys. I'm laughing at my jokes, come on, it's a good one. I thought you can't hear me, put your headphones in on max.
It's loading, I'm choosing a song.
You're loading, and I'm gonna put it right on my face. The thing with this foundation is it doesn't blend when I do my dabbing motion, so I just have to spread it out before I go back in. And again, I'm going for a light look, so I'm not gonna put too much foundation on either. Now it's time to color correct. Gonna do my upper lip and then acne scars. Yeah, I filmed how to do this like in detail in my everyday makeup routine, so yeah, check that out. So I'm just gonna skip over this part quickly. Just gonna bring my concealer up here because I have a little bit of redness, so I'm just gonna cover that up with some of the concealer that's left over on the blender. I'm just going to do a little bit of powder to set in the color correcting. Contour. So this is the one thing I do different for my morning routine. Oh god, this palette I've used to the max, but I use this color and I go in and do a couple lines. Again, I'm going for a simpler look, and the theme is tea party, so it's like very florally, light, girly stuff, so hence the pink eyeshadow. But I'm going to keep the rest of my face pretty neutral. I'm going to set my face with some powder, and I say some, I mean a lot. Because I get really oily, so I like to focus on my T-zone and my forehead the most. Of course, under the eye to set that concealer in. I'm gonna do some bronzer. Same old broken palette, hasn't changed. Okay, here's some blush. I'm gonna go with the MAX. What is this called? I have no idea. Copper tone. I'm putting on more blush than I usually do, but I think it looks good with the theme today. So some highlight, cause you know, make my already shiny face shinier. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish off the eyes by lining it with some liner. I'm not gonna wing it today because I'm not feeling like a wing, so I'm just gonna line the top. To curl my lashes and some mascara. This is actually my first bridal shower I'm going to, so I'm kind of excited. So I was in charge of games, and I basically googled bridal shower games and I found some that were I thought were easy to play because we're having it outside. So I made some charades. I did because wow. But yes, as I was saying, so I'm doing games for the bridal shower. So I came up with a few. So some of the popular ones that I googled were like charades and stuff. I have them right here. So I created like these cue cards and I have like words on it. So I have like groom, and then I did like, because the bride is Indian, so I did a couple of Indian themed stuff. So I mixed that in. So we have like mehendi ceremony as one of the charades games. Then I also created a, what's it called? How well do you know the bride game? And so that was fun. I used some like basic questions as well as like some things that are personal to her. And then the last game that I came up with was guess the celebrity couple. So people get split into teams of twos and then they have to describe the couple without saying their names. So I thought that would be really fun. And I also again mixed in some Bollywood couples as well as some Hollywood couples. While I was making the card, it was so hard to come up with celebrities who are married for some reason. And then after I finished and I googled and found as many couples as I could, my sister and my friends were like, oh, you could have done this couple, you could have done this couple. And I was like, wow, oh, here it is. So this is a little bowl and I have like all these names. Let me show you. So one is, what we have Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. I don't know what they're doing upstairs, but they're trying to ruin this video for sure. I'm just gonna line it with some pink liner. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. Now my sister's here to help me do my hair because I'm too lazy to tell them. You might want to duck in and say hi.
I look like death. I just took a nap.
She's gonna do like a twisty braid kind of thing. Oh yes, so I curled my hair this morning and I showered yesterday and I braided it so I didn't have to do the bottom of my hair. It's already wavy. I'm trying to have these loose waves kind of thing.
I can't believe you forgot to include Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas in your game.
I know, I'm pretty sad. I missed a lot of people.
Come on.
After I thought about it, I'm like, wow, I missed so many people. But I still got like about 20 couples. Got some
that's
old
good.
couples, some new couples, some divorced couples. What do you think? It looks cute?
What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh. I look like a princess.
I wouldn't go that far.
Okay, okay. So that's all for the makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Staring at the ceiling, think I'm losing my mind, 'cause I'm out of it. Ooh, ooh. When we first met, we were in the deep end. Oh, oh. So out of breath, we could never keep it. Oh, oh.